Tuna salad is healthy, light and refreshing and is great for a low-carb diet. This salad is naturally creamy by addition of avocado. It is perfect for sandwich, wrap, a salad or as an appetizer. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simply Food. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it. So let's see what we'll need. Canned tuna, roughly chopped avocado, chopped cucumber, sliced onion, chopped tomatoes, chopped green bell pepper, lime juice, crushed black pepper, salt, mustard sauce and olive oil. First, into a bowl, take chopped cucumber, add sliced onion, not too much, add chopped avocado, chopped tomatoes, chopped green bell pepper. Now give a good mix. This recipe is very good for your health and very easy to make. In summer, this salad just refresh you. Now add tuna chunks. This piece was preserved in vegetable oil. Now mix with the veggies. Avocado gives a nice creaminess to this salad, so you don't need any mayonnaise. Now I'll make the dressing. Take 1 teaspoon olive oil into the bowl. Into the oil, add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon mustard sauce. Mix nicely. Now add 1 lime juice into the salad. Add previously made salad dressing. Mix them all together. Now top some chopped coriander leaf and give a good mix. This video is requested by Marcela Gomez. Tuna salad with avocado is ready and served. If you want to see any tuna recipes, you can also tell us. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe my channel and also check out my other tuna recipes. Give your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.